For this video, we applied the premixed Proma Pro Grout One to a set of sample tiles. We used the Proma Pro Grout Max 2.0 grout float to apply the grout, the Proma Standard Sponge, and the Proma Pro Grout Max 2.0 mixing pail to clean off the grout, making this process quick and easy. We intentionally left a grout haze to dry for 24 hours on this tile to show how effective the FCS Solutions Urethane and Acrylic Grout Residue Remover is at cleaning grout haze on tiles. The Urethane and Acrylic Grout Residue Remover is easy to use, works quickly, and is made in Canada. To use this remover, pour it directly onto the tiled area needing haze removal. Pour enough to cover the entire area. Next, use a scrub pad to spread the remover evenly across the surface of the tiles. We are using the FCS Solutions black scrub pad for this tutorial. Set a timer for 3 to 5 minutes depending on the amount of haze visible. Gently scrub the tiles continuously until the timer is done. Make sure to avoid directly scrubbing the grout lines. Finish by thoroughly rinsing the area with clear water. For this tutorial, we used a clean, wet sponge to clear off excess remover and residue. Looking at the before and after, you can see the urethane and acrylic grout residue remover completely revived this tile in just a few minutes. We did the same process for 2 other sets of tiles, and the difference is amazing. To learn more or shop Proma and FCS Solutions products, click the links in the description below. Thank you for watching.